Hi, my name is Megan Mason, and this is my personal goals video presentation. So a little bit about myself is I'm from Deshler, Nebraska originally, and when I graduated from high school, I attended McPherson College. I have a husband who we've been married for 5 years, and we have 2 daughters. My educational profession background, I got my first job at Pratt Skyline. And then I got my second job at Royster Middle School in Chanute, Kansas. And now I am currently at Colony Crest at the same school as my husband as the 6 through 12 special education teacher. My educational background, again, I am from Deshler, Nebraska, so I attended Deshler Public Schools all my life. Then I attended McPherson College for 4 years. And then I enrolled at Fort Hays State University to complete my driver's education endorsement, and now I'm working on my master's for school leadership. Some of my personal goals are in the next 1 to 5 years, I want to work on myself. Right now, I'm working to get back into a healthy mindset and physically. After having 2 kids, I want to continue to throw. I was a thrower in college. My favorite thing was the hammer throw, so I want to start going to meets to throw and attach. I also am trying to manage my stress. Stress is one of my weaknesses, and I think I'm doing a lot better at that, but I still want to make that a goal. Expanding my farm business, my husband and we bought our first house together, and we have a herd of cattle now, but I would love to start a garden, get some pigs and sheep and chickens, and kind of be more self-sufficient on our end. The next 6 to 10 years, my goals are to have a therapy dog. I think that'd be very beneficial to my classroom as a special education teacher. And to check off more states, my husband and we have a goal to visit all 50 states together. And beyond the 10 years, all I could think of right now is to visit all 50 states. Professional goals in the next 1 to 5 years, I want to complete my master's. I want to also get my social studies praxis. I majored in history, but I never completed the praxis. Life got a hold of me. Continue to teach in special education. In the next 6 to 10 years, I want to transition to the administrative side of education. And then beyond 10 years, I want to try to get an administrative position in my hometown and retire there. So why did I choose Fort Hays State University? Well, first off, my husband did his master's there and he seemed to enjoy it. So, and then I was looking at costs at the school versus other schools, and it was cheaper compared to the other ones I was looking at. It was all online. Some of the schools required me to go there a couple times, and for the distance and the drive, it just wasn't feasible for me. And then getting enrolled in the communication has been great so far. If I have a question, if I need to reach out to anyone, they seem to do a great job of getting a hold of me. My expectations for this program, to have advisors that are helpful and have a great communication system, have professors who are willing to work with me and guide me, knowing that life does happen and I am working at the same time and have a family is huge, and I'm hoping that professors are willing to work with me if anything was to happen. And to gain knowledge, I want to learn how to be a better teacher, how to be a better administrator, and to be able to be challenged. I want to be pushed outside my comfort zone, and I believe that's going to make me grow and to be a better person. And that is my presentation.